Hello, good morning, everybody. Welcome to week 8. Um, and it's pretty much the last full week of actual work, although we're not getting any new assignments. So let's get to it so that you know what to do. This week is just a week to catch up, make up, redo, resubmit, fix, turn in any missing late stuff to help complete everything that has we've been working on and get your grades up if you need to. So the first thing I would do this week is to check Power School. Not I know I got a lot of stuff on Friday that I'm going to be grading today. So if you know you turned something in that you're not seeing on Power School, just be patient. It should be done by the end of today. But you can be aware of your test score. I haven't entered test scores yet either. I will be entering those today. For those of you who took it, if you haven't taken it yet, make sure to get that done this week. But if your test score was below 14 out of 20, I think it was out of 20. Yeah. Go ahead. You're going to want to retake it. And so I'll give you some quick instructions here about how to do that. So if I need to retake a test, either last week's test or the weather and climate test, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to my email and look for an email like this from Google Forms, and it'll say the test that it is. So here's the 6.4 test we took last week. So if you click on that, it should open it up, and you should be able to click right here on View Score, and that will open up your test. So you can actually see all of the questions and what you got wrong. And on this, you can also see the correct answers and your total points. So if you aren't sure what your test score is, you can do the same thing. Go to your email, find this email, view your score, and then see. And if that is below 14 out of 20, 14 is a C. So also if you want to get a higher score, you can retake it too. So this is what you need to do once you know what your score is and if you need to retake it. I'm going to go to Google Classroom and click on classwork. And over here on the left-hand side, you can see this thing right here that says class resources. If you click on that, then you should be able to find the retake form. And so if you click on this retake form, it'll open up the retake form. It looks like it didn't ask me to make a copy, but maybe it's because it already did. If it asks you to make a copy, make a copy. Here's what to do. I know some of you are running into the problem where it won't let you type on this because it didn't make a copy for you. So here's what you do. Click on File, go down here, and click Make a Copy. And when you do that, you can change the name of it. You can say that it's your copy, right? Type your name in right here. Ooh, come on. There we go. I just changed this to your name. You could put it in a specific folder if you know where you want it, or you could just leave it wherever it puts it, and then click OK, and that should open up a copy of it that you can type on. So those of you who have been running into that problem, check this video again if you need help and do that, and now you should be able to type on it. If you're going to type on it, here's what I would do. These lines are here for when you print it out. I would highlight the lines and delete it and then type, so that, because if you don't, it's just going to like insert your words between the lines. Do you see how that happened? Which will make a real mess of it. So delete the lines. Ooh, I'm going to undo. So that you can type on it and it'll look clean and easy. And so you'll fill this out for each question you miss. So once you open that up in your email, so like question 1 I missed. So on the retake form, it says write the question missed. So I'm going to write the environment where an organism lives. It could be a lake, forest, field, stream, or desert. I'm going to write that. This is going to take a while, but this is what I need to do to be able to learn stuff. Look, I'm not doing what I said to do. Delete it, type it in, the environment, and then I'm going to type in the question. The next part says, why did you miss it? What was your wrong answer? So for sure, I'm going to type in, my answer was community. because, and then I'm going to explain myself. Why did I pick community? Maybe because I thought, that I thought wrong, or maybe I was rushing, or I didn't understand the question, or if you have a reason why, make sure to type that in. And then the last part says, what is the correct answer? And explain why it is the correct answer. So, um, the correct answer, I'm going to write the correct answer is habitat, because, and then I need to explain it somehow. This is where you might need to go do some studying. You might need to pull open the Quizlet, study again. You might need to read the textbook part again, which is also found in Google Classroom. So that's a good thing to know if you're looking for reasoning to support why that is the correct answer. This link, again, if you go to class resources, this link should open up a textbook for you. And you're going to want to scroll way down to the 6.4 section. And that's weather. We're almost there. And find that. I should grab it, pull it a little bit farther. Are we there? Yeah, we're close. So it might take you some time to search and find the answers, and but look stuff up. Something that then you can explain why. Maybe it's because the Quizlet study showed that the definite, habitat is blankety blank, something like that. So take your time to fill that out. You'll fill that out for every question you miss. So for me, since I missed 19 questions, I'm in trouble. I'm going to have to do a lot. It's going to take me a while. But that's what I got to do so that I can review, look closer at the question, look closer at the answers, and figure out why this is the correct answer so that the next time I take it, I can understand it. Because on the retake test, questions are going to change a little bit. Sometimes just the answers will move around. Sometimes the question itself will change. It's still the same topic, but it might be, instead of an ecosystem definition, it might be the definition of a population or something, or a community. So you got to do some studying to be prepared for that. So I hope that helps. So that's one thing for the test, since that's going to be the big score affecting our grade the most for this last week. If you got less than 14 out of 20, you're definitely going to want to fill out that retake form. So if you need help, go back and watch the video parts that you need. Other than that, check all the other assignments, turn in anything that hasn't been graded yet or that you didn't get turned in. Email me if you have any questions, but definitely go on Google Classroom and search to see if you can find stuff that can help you get that done first. If you're missing the what was it called, weather maps, Gizmo, there's a post on here to help you with that, with a lot of things. There's a video too to watch. So most stuff is already taken care of, but you can email me and I can either say, hey, go find this post or something if you're not sure. But yeah, this week is just a week to catch up. I will be posting some extra credit stuff later, maybe tomorrow, that you could do if you're looking for that too. So just keep checking back to see what else gets posted this week. But there won't be any new assignments that you have to do for points. Anything else will just be for fun or for extra credit. So there you go. Have a great week. Get stuff done and finish up strong. We are almost there. We are right at the end, last stretch. So keep it up and let me know if there's anything I can help you with. Thanks, guys and girls. And we'll see you next time. Bye.